Hey, how are you going, everyone? So excited as we are back fishing back here in Shorncliffe in the mouth of the creek with my cast net. If you wondered, I'm using 9-foot cast net. Come on, fishies. Looks like it's a good day. So we got a couple of those glass perches. Have a look. That's one of the fish that don't have a legal size, and you can take them and this size, use them as bait. They're just perfect. Come on. That's it. Grab it. Ah, nice. Once that pelican tasted that bait, you'll not go away. But honestly, I can't afford more fish, mate. Oh, this looks like a little bream. Is it? Yes. So actually, the pelican's lucky again. I can't take that fish, but definitely pelican could eat it. Oh, you're a beautiful little fish. Look at you. I love this place. It's so quiet, and we only 500 meters from the car park. This is where we're gonna set up. That's it. Fish on, fish on, fish on. A bream, 100%.
Is it on?
Can you feel it? Oh, tiny bream. Yeah, get it in. Happy boy. All right. It's just under. Okay.
I know it's under, but still, please.
No, we can't cook it. It's under. We need to release it.
Can I release it?
Sure.
It's a nice size. Pretty tiny, but still.
It's so cold. We didn't realize it. Are you cold?
No.
No, I am. It's very windy, so we're having a little fire just to cheer us up. But if we get a fish, yeah, we can eat it here. Oh, this is nice and warm.
Dad, you just hope those coals will be here tomorrow.
No, they won't. The tide is coming. Look at the tide line here. That's the edge. So the water will cover this thing. That's why I'm not worried to have a fire in a windy day in mangroves.
Hope you had fun today. We'll see you tomorrow too.
Let's do some casting, get some bait, and then we're gonna move to the pier. The tide is coming in, high tide in 3 hours, so it should be good. So we've got some fish here on a first go. The idea is to get something decent, so I can get crab bait as well, so any mullet over 30 centimeters, yeah, we'll take home. Not only got some mullet, but look at this fella. That's a sand crab. Oh good, haven't seen those guys here for a while. Yeah. Is it a sand crab? Look at this fella. Alright, so we've let this little fella go. He's angry. Come on, you want to get me really? Oh mate. Alright. at the stingrays. Just there. Yes! Finally! Oh!
It's a flatty. I felt
It is a
I
flatty!
might have to go down here to land this guy.
Nice flatty. Yeah, he got me.
Yeah, that's why I use one of these. Fuck, oh, I got me too.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's a lesson.
Maybe carry him up and I'll.
He just pricks me through both fingers. One go, yep.
Just there.
Morning, Andrew. How are you?
Yeah.
He's big
About a
enough.
45.
Nice. That's a nice dinner for you.
Like that. Alright, just in the belly there. Okay. And then if they thrash, just. Alright. There we go.
You need to. Oh wow.
But a lot of
nice.
the slime is off him now, so he can.
So it's good.
And if you put some pressure on their belly, I find sometimes they just relax a bit.
Like that.
Alright. Yep.
Like,
Nice. Thanks, mate. There's good 10-15 people using live bait here, and Andy got it on a jig of the jetty just here. And there's a skull of bait fish, hundreds, thousands of them swimming around. So I don't think we're gonna have any luck on live bait, but still lucky. Flathead of a jetty. I'm getting hits all the time, but the moment I touch the rod, they stop. But guys over there got another bream, so they're around. Look at those stingrays. Not sure if you can see it.
wow.
That's a lot.
Gee.
Yeah, just wrapping up. The tide has peaked and the bite stopped. So just hope you enjoyed this little one. And until next time.